Okay, I forgot how far away the Russian market really was. It's actually a couple kilometers. But we're making this walk. We're already committed. And kind of past the point of no return. So, let's continue this walk through the city of Phnom Penh, eh? I have to get across the street here. So eventually I'm gonna have to make a left. Plus I'll get more shade. It's getting around noon now. And this is when it starts to get hot. Before 11 o'clock it's pretty straight. Alright, let's cross this bad boy. Yeah. Do it in traffic. Make it more fun. Alright. Anybody want to go swimming? So this would probably be wastewater coming out of the city. And I would assume dumping into the Toul Lake, which is their section of the Mekong River here. Let's get across. Alright, off we go. Continue our trip to the Russian market. Alright, so on my way to Russian market real quick. I walked past this place here. Barman Watches. So they're watches that are made here in Cambodia. As far as the movement, they're using Seiko movements, and their prices range from like $500 to $800. So kind of unique, little expensive, especially for a Seiko movement, but reliable. But yeah, so Vorman Watches, a new watch find here in the city. Alright, so made it to the Russian market. Man, I gotta take a piss. Alright, so I gotta find me a 7-Eleven. They always have decent bathrooms. And there's always one by a market, so let's see what we can find. But here's the market. And we'll be going into it shortly. Alright, made it to the Russian market. No 7-Eleven though, so no 7-Eleven bathrooms. But a lot of stuff. So let's take a look at this market. All right. So by entryway 1, we've got washrooms, which is bathrooms. All right, so welcome to the Russian market. So this market, of all the markets in Phnom Penh, has kind of the most wide array of things to get. So they got gifts. You'll see as I go in here, they've got an art supply section, an automotive and engine section. It's like an outdoor market version of, I don't know, Walmart AutoZone mix. So let's go check out the Russian market here in Phnom Penh. So we're walking into the automotive side here in the Toul side. You know, like grinding tools and saws. Your small engines for motorbikes. Down here, you're gonna see a lot of school supplies, paint, things like that. So the market kind of breaks into sections. So you can buy engines or have your engine rebuilt if you have a moto here. And you get rims, food is ahead there. Let's turn. All right, now we get more into gifts. Need some Louis Vuitton or some Gucci. They got you here. And now we get into the clothes section. And let's cut through the food court. There's some old money and stuff.